Short form tutorials for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about JotForm and free online form builder and form creator. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit this site jotform.com, and then there we can see three options to log in. One is you can use your Gmail address to log in. The another one is you can sign up with Microsoft account, or also you can sign up with an email, and it is absolutely free. You will not need any single dollars to spend to log into JotForm. Okay, like you can use JotForm for free. So here you can see you can build the form you need in minutes. You can integrate your form with business apps, for example MailChimp, Google Drive, and some CRM softwares. For example, here you can see Salesforce and other things. Okay, you can also collect online payments seamlessly. So this is the interface of JotForm. So to log in onto JotForm, you can use this method. Just log into JotForm. So I'm being logged into JotForm right now. Now you have to check this icon that you agree to the terms of service and policies to JotForm. Then tap on to continue. So after tapping on to continue, this is what JotForm's interface looks like. From here you can create your form, your AI agent, your e-sign, your app. Just simply tap on to form, then you can start from scratch. Also you can use templates to create, for example this one. Then just tap on to use template. Like this is pretty much like Canva, you can say. You can just tap on to customize the template, then you can simply customize anything you wish to it. For example, this text here, you can enter any text. For example, this image here, you can change the image. You can create product from here. You can choose the image for the product, and you can edit them according to your wish. Then you can just simply delete it up also. Like that, by right clicking on to this, you can just delete your product from here. You can also undo it if you wish to. And from settings option, you can check out your emails, conditions, thank you page, your integrations, your workflows, the JotForm sign, wall notification, etc. And here you can see on the build options, you can customize every single thing from here. You can tap onto the properties, then you can edit this billing address, your label alignments, etc. From here you can just edit everything. Your default country, you can choose USA, you can choose Australia according to your need, you can choose Lithuania if you wish to. Then you can just save it up. Then you can customize your shipping address, like say if you want it same as billing address, you can keep it like that. And as I already showed you, you can just customize. Then you can click on these properties, and from there you can just whether you can add two like this, you can add single ones like this, you can add three ones like this. And if you want, you can also make it required that nobody can prevent submission if this field is empty. So this is how it looks like. You can change the header title of your product. Like for example, this is a product order from, so I'm gonna tap onto, I'm just gonna click this order and type buyer to it, product buyer form. And then you can edit everything. For example, if you want, you can add emojis, etc. You can tap onto settings, as you can see. Then here you can see you can make it duplicate. You can edit text also from here. You can tap onto the heading image, and you can choose the files, and you can upload a file very easily. And then you can open it up, and the file will be uploaded to here. As you can see, the file has been uploaded to this site. You can also tap on to remove image, and the image will be removed. So this is as simple as that. You can also choose my images from here. You can use selected, then you can choose it width if you wish to. Then you can like align it to the top, right, or in the middle, as you can see, top or left. And you can also choose the text alignments. For example, this text alignments, whether you want it to middle or bottom, you can just choose it. But for now, let's remove the image. So that's it. Now you can also preview the form if you wish to. Simply tap onto this preview form site, and this is what the forms looks like. People have to submit this informations, and then they have to tap submit like from here. And this is the desktop view. Let's check out the tablet view. So this is the tablet view of it, as you can see. And lastly, let's check the phone view. So this is the phone view of it. So let's as you can see, this is pretty much it. Now you can add payment options from here. As you can see, this is the payment options. You can just edit them now if you want. You can also add elements from the top left corner. Here you can see this add elements option. Simply tap onto add elements, and from the add elements you can add heading, your full name, your email, your address. For example, if you tap onto full name, your full name will be appear here. Then you can customize it according to your need. So this is how you can edit. Also you can add other options like other text if you wish to, and also you can add your appointment sections right from here. Just tap onto appointment, and from there you can add your appointment, your date, and etc. You can tap onto the settings option. You can then choose appointment slot duration from here very easily. As you can see, you can choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes. You can also choose custom minutes from here. You can choose from when to when your appointment will be interval. Then you can also add new interval right from here. By clicking onto this add new interval, you'll be able to add new interval very easily. And this is the limit section, and on the limit section you can add date, you can add end date also, and then you can just save it up. And here's the advanced settings. You can add one-on-one, or you can also choose group like maximum attendance, personal time slots, etc. You can customize all of them according to your need. You can choose short text to add, long text to add. You can also add paragraph type text if you wish to, and there are many more options available. Just play with each one of them, and you will be able to understand that what is the job of every one, like each of them. Like for example, on this image section, you can upload image very easily. You have to choose a file, and then you'll be able to upload image. So that was pretty much it. This is how you can do it. Now you can also tap on this form designer. You can change the text color or this. Then you can just tap on to advanced designers also, and you can add use advanced designer from here. You can choose the background image. You can also paste the image link to it, and then you can just upload an image from your image library for the background. For example, let me show you. For example, I'm gonna upload this image to the background. Then you just have to upload it up, and there we go. So now, this is how you can do it. Just upload an image of your choice, and then you'll be able to add images. So this is as simple as that. So this is how you can design it, and lastly you just have to save it up, and then you just have to save it from here, save changes. So this is how you can use JotForm, and you can use JotForms from other jobs if you wish to. You can just go back and check out JotForm's features. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you and to another video, and that's it. And as always, keep watching our videos like this video, and comment down below that what type of videos you want to see in the future. Goodbye.